In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages numbers in Affinity Publisher. By the end, you'll have clean, automatic page numbers that update themselves as your document grows, without any manual typing or fiddly changes. Start by taking a moment to decide where you want the page number to appear. Bottom center, bottom left, or bottom right are the most common choices. Click Layout in the top menu to quickly reference your page setup, margins, and guides so you can place the number consistently. This isn't about changing settings right now, it's simply to help you visualize a tidy, repeatable position. Next, click Artistic Text. In Affinity Publisher, artistic text is great for short bits of text, like a page number, because it's lightweight and easy to position with precision. If you're familiar with frame text for paragraphs and columns, that's different. For our purpose, artistic text is perfect. Then drag and drop to draw a small text object exactly where you want the number to live, and leave it empty. Don't type anything yet. Use smart guides to align it to the center or to the edge margins, and nudge with your arrow keys for pixel accurate placement. Keeping it empty ensures the number will be generated automatically in the next step. Now, click Text in the top menu. This is where Affinity Publisher stores its powerful automatic content tools. Hover over Insert, then hover over Fields. You'll see several dynamic options that can pull in information from your document. Finally, click Page Number. Instantly, the text object you created will populate with the correct page number. Flip through your pages to see it update automatically. There's no need to copy and paste numbers or change them later. This field does the work for you. With the number in place, you can style it like any other text. Change the font, size, and color from the context toolbar, adjust tracking for a refined look, or add a small separator like a dash on either side. If you want the number centered at the bottom, set the paragraph alignment to center. If it sits too close to the edge, move the text object slightly inward so it clears the margin. A helpful tip: if you want page numbers on every page across your document, consider placing this artistic text object on a master page so it appears consistently everywhere. And if your document uses facing pages, mirror the placement for left and right pages for a balanced spread. That's all there is to it. Clean, automatic page numbers in just a few clicks.